Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. In today's video I will be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Fold. This method would also work on the previous models. First, locate the power button, volume up and down. Press the volume up, power button together. Hold both keys. Once the phone turns on, remove your finger off of the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see this screen, remove your finger off of the volume up. Scroll down to Data Factory Reset. Power button to select it. Factory Data Reset, power button to confirm it. Reboot now. Once the phone comes on, it will be back to the factory settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.